Welcome to our channel. If you're having trouble with Target Drive Up not working or experiencing errors with the Target app, follow these step-by-step instructions to get your Drive Up service functioning properly again. Step 1. Open your phone settings and check that location services are enabled for the Target app. Drive Up requires precise location access to function correctly. Step 2. Navigate to your device's app settings, find the Target app, and clear the cache and data. This removes any corrupted files that might be interfering with Drive Up functionality. Step 3. Completely close the Target app by swiping it away from your recent apps. Then reopen the app to ensure you're starting with a fresh session. Step 4. Check that you have a stable internet connection by testing other apps or websites. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if connectivity is the issue. Step 5. Verify that your order is eligible for Drive Up by reviewing the order details. Some items and locations may not support this service. Step 6. Update the Target app to the latest version by visiting your device's app store. Outdated versions may have bugs that prevent Drive Up from working properly. Step 7. If problems persist, try placing a new Drive Up order to test the service. Make sure you tap "I'm on my way" when you arrive at the store and ensure your location services are active. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.